Good morning, class 4th class. This is English language, and today we'll start worksheet number 19th. Class, this is worksheet number 19th, which is based on sentences. What is a sentence? Sentence is a group of words which have complete sense. Okay? So the first question is, fill in the blanks in the following sentences by adding the missing subjects or predicates. Class, sentences have two parts. One is subject and second is predicate. Okay, so here in this question you have to complete these sentences with subject or predicates. Okay, so the first is, my neighbor is a very kind-hearted man. Okay, my neighbor is a subject part and is a very kind-hearted man is a predicate part. Okay, clear? Next is, the children sang beautifully at the function. So here the children is a subject part, okay, and sang beautifully at the function is a predicate part. Next, Mickey Mouse is a famous cartoon actor, okay, cartoon character. Mickey Mouse is a famous cartoon character, okay. So Mickey Mouse is a subject part and is a famous cartoon character is a predicate part. Next, my mother prepared dinner for us. So here my mother is a subject part and prepared dinner for us, what? Predicate part. Okay. Next, the movie was too interesting. So the movie is a subject part and was too interesting is a predicate part. Next, Rahul is a lazy boy. So Rahul is a subject part and is a lazy boy predicate part. Next, Manisha plays cricket very well. So here Manisha is a subject part and plays cricket very well as a predicate part. Next, elephant is the biggest land animal. So elephant is a subject part and is the biggest land animal predicate part. Next, the police caught the robbers. So the police is a subject part and caught the robbers is a predicate part. Next, the fish in the aquarium is a subject part is very pretty. The fish in the aquarium is very pretty. So the fish in the aquarium is a subject part and is very pretty is a predicate part. So clear, class, how to do this question? Okay. Next question is, do as directed. Class, here in this question there are some sentences. You have to change them in according to the direction, according to the whatever it is written in the bracket. Okay, we have to change them in declarative means positive sentences, okay, simple sentences. Then also interrogative means question sentence and imperative sentence, clear, and exclamative sentences. Okay, so the first is, Simran is going to the market with her mother, and we have to change it in an interrogative sentence. Okay, we have to change this sentence in an interrogative sentence. So you will change like this, is Simran going to the market with her mother? Okay, simply you have to put this helping verb at the first place and then the sentence will be convert or change into interrogative sentence. जो भी आपके helping verb है, is है, are हुआ, was were, will shall, do does did, तो उसको आप first place पे कर दोगे तो वो क्या हो जाएगा, sentence interrogative में convert हो जाएगा. Okay. Second is, what a beautiful painting. So we have to change this in declarative sentence. Okay, this is an exclamative sentence, we have to change it in declarative form. So the sentence will be, the painting is beautiful. Okay, simple form, the painting is beautiful. Next, is that Mr. Banerjee's daughter? So we have to change this sentence in declarative. This is a question sentence, interrogative sentence, we have to change it in declarative form. So the sentence will be, that is Mr. Banerjee's daughter. Clear how to do this question? Next is Anjali is preparing for her final exams. This is a declarative sentence. We have to change it in interrogative. Okay, question sentence. So you will write like this: Is Anjali preparing for her final exams? Okay. Next, what an interesting cartoon. So it's an exclamatory sentence. We have to change it in declarative form. So the sentence will be: It is an interesting cartoon. Okay. Next, can you repair my bicycle? It's a question sentence, interrogative sentence. We have to change it in imperative form, imperative sentence. So you will write like this: Please repair my bicycle. Okay. Next, seventh number, this is a lovely dress. It's a declarative sentence. So we have to change it in exclamatory form. So the sentence will be: What a lovely dress. Okay. And whenever you write in any exclamatory sentence, you will use exclamation sign at the end of a sentence. And when you write any question sentence, you will use question mark. Okay. Question mark for interrogative sentence and exclamation mark for exclamatory sentence. Okay. Next is Tarun has practiced well for the quiz competition. Okay. So this is a declarative sentence. We have to change it in interrogative form. Okay. So the sentence will be: Has Tarun practiced well for the quiz competition? Okay. Next is can you help me clean the house? It's an interrogative sentence. So you have to change it in imperative form. So your sentence will be: Help me clean the house. Next, Subhas met my father yesterday. It's a declarative sentence. So you have to change it in interrogative form, interrogative sentence. So the sentence will be: Did Subhas meet? Okay. Did Subhas meet my father yesterday? Clear? How to change a sentence in the other form? Okay. How to change it and in any declarative sentence, interrogative, exclamatory or imperative? Clear how to do this question? Next is question number C. Change the following sentences into their negative forms. Class, here in this question, there are some sentences. Okay. You have to change them in negative forms. Okay. And you have to use not. Okay. You will use not for making a negative sentence, negative form. After helping verb, जो भी आपके हेल्पिंग वर्ब है उसको यूज़ करना है, उसके तुरंत बाद नॉट का यूज़ कर देंगे तो सेंटेंस क्या है, नेगेटिव में चेंज होता है. ओके. सो द फर्स्ट सेंटेंस इज आई फिनिश्ड माई होमवर्क. क्लास, दिस सेंटेंस इज इन सिंपल पास्ट. ओके. फिनिश्ड मीन्स सिंपल पास्ट. सो फॉर सिंपल पास्ट वी यूज डिड. ओके. For simple past tense we use did. So the sentence will be I did not finish my homework. अगर आपका सेंटेंस सिंपल पास्ट में है तो उसको अगर नेगेटिव हमको करना है, नेगेटिव करना या क्वेश्चन करना है तो हेल्पिंग वर्ब क्या होता है, डिड होता है. ओके. सो हियर यू विल राइट आई डिड नॉट फिनिश माई होमवर्क. नेक्स्ट, तेजस एंड तानिया एक्सेप्टेड माई इन्विटेशन हैप्पीली. अगेन it's a simple past tense, accepted na, so simple past tense. So again you will use did. So the sentence will be Tejas and Tanya did not accept my invitation happily. Next, Sanya reads the newspaper for 1 hour every morning. Class, it's a simple present tense. Okay. Reads means simple present tense form. So here in this you will use does. Okay. The helping verb of simple present is does. जो सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस का हेल्पिंग वर्ब क्या होता है, डज होता है. ठीक. जैसे यहाँ पे पास्ट में डिड होता है उसी से प्रेजेंट में हम लोग कौन सा हेल्पिंग वर्ब यूज़ करते हैं, डज यूज़ करते हैं. ठीक. सो द सेंटेंस विल बी सानिया डज नॉट रीड. ओके. सानिया डज नॉट रीड द न्यूज़पेपर फॉर 1 hour every morning. Clear? Next, we are going to the railway station to pick up our uncle. So here the helping verb is are. So you will use not after are. We are not. We are going. We are not going to the railway station to pick up our uncle. Next, Suzanne asked me to meet her immediately. So here asked, it means simple past tense. So what will you use? Did use करेंगे ना हम यहाँ पे. So the sentence will be Suzanne did not ask me to meet her immediately. Next, my mother has accompanied my cousin to the hospital. Okay, my mother has accompanied my cousin to the hospital. So here helping verb is has. Helping verb क्या है इसमें? Has है ना. So we will write like this. My mother has not accompanied. My mother has accompanied. My mother has not accompanied my cousin to the hospital. So class, here this worksheet number 19, totally completed. Hope you all understood very well that how to convert them in any other form. Okay, how to write subject or predicate of any sentence, and also how to convert in a negative form. So clear? It's totally completed. So it's enough for the day. Thank you.